So I didn't think I was going to make any more workshop updates, but I decided this is kind of the best format to just give little quick updates between projects. But yeah, it's been a long time since I put out a video and I wanted to give you guys an update. So here we go. These are all bikes that I found in the last probably 2 weeks. So let's start with this 95 multi-track, which is in unbelievable condition. Somebody must have just pulled it right out of their garage and put it right at the scrap heap. I love these 700C hybrid bikes because they really, the geometry is fantastic and you can do just about anything with them. You can build them into a drop bar bike, flat bar bike, off-road, gravel, whatever you want. Fantastic bike. And earlier this week, I found this 84 Schwinn World Sport, and I believe these were Giant made. So they're lugged, has chromoly, front triangle. Everything else is just high 10. My love for 80s and 90s Schwinns knows no bounds, so I had to grab it, even though it's pretty crusty. So this giant Rincon frame, this one was in the dumpster, and you can see why, because it is mangled. But that crank is nice and straight still. So yeah, I saved that X-Age crank. And it has a giant rack, which, I don't know, maybe it's salvageable. Also has this weird little, looks like a Chinese single speed converter. But yeah, I'll salvage what I can off of this thing and then it'll go right back in the scrap heap. This I just picked up today. This one I actually bought. I was given a tip by Speed and Sprocket mobile bike service here in the area. And it is a 96 ground control, which was really their bottom of the line full suspension bike for Specialized in 96. Did I say 95? 96. So I've never actually seen one of these in the flesh. So it's kind of an interesting thing. That shock is definitely blown. Fork is definitely mushy. Probably something wrong with that inside too. We'll take a look at it. This thing is all original. It is like no wear on those original grips. I don't know if it had these Alpha Bite tires on it to begin with, but even the brake pads look like the OG. Looks like it's mostly a Serra with a STX rear derailleur. It's nothing too fancy, nothing too amazing, but boy, it's in really nice shape. So yeah, there's a lot of projects in the cards. I've made way too many promises on things that I haven't been able to complete. Work and life are pretty busy right now. But hey, hang in there. There is cool stuff coming. I appreciate everybody who follows and pays attention to what's going on. Sometimes it's interesting, sometimes maybe it's not. So again, thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching, and take care. See you next time.